Hey everyone, welcome to the wild side of urban life. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of 5 cities where animals roam free and rule the streets. Buckle up, because you're about to see some incredible places where humans and animals coexist in the most fascinating ways. First stop, Delhi, India. Ever seen monkeys swinging through city streets? In Delhi, the monkeys are more than just visitors. They're part of the daily hustle and bustle. From stealing food to playfully interacting with people, these mischievous creatures are a common sight. And let's not forget the sacred cows. Revered and respected, these gentle giants roam freely, often causing traffic jams, but always treated with kindness. Next up, San Juan, Puerto Rico. Picture this. Vibrant parrots flying overhead and feral cats lounging in the sun. In old San Juan, the parrots add a splash of color and a symphony of sounds to the historic streets. The feral cats, on the other hand, play a vital role in controlling pests, making them an essential part of the local ecosystem. Now, let's head to Istanbul, Turkey, the city of cats. Here, street cats are celebrities, adored by locals and tourists alike. With cat cafes popping up everywhere, people can enjoy a cup of coffee while cuddling these furry friends. The city's dedication to caring for these cats, from feeding programs to veterinary care, is truly heartwarming. Off to Cape Town, South Africa, where baboons roam free. These clever primates are known for their bold interactions with humans, often raiding homes and cars for food. The city has implemented measures to manage the baboon population and ensure peaceful coexistence. In every corner of the globe, these cities remind us of the beauty and challenge of living alongside wildlife. It's all about finding balance and respecting our animal neighbors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild adventures.